The latte factor is one of the most common mistakes that will keep you broke. The term latte factor made David Bach famous over the last decade. This term got so famous that he literally published a 160 pages book which focuses on this. And you bet it was an instant New York Times, Wall Street Journal and international bestseller. The latte factor concept is simple. Small amount of money spent on regular basis cost us far more than we can imagine. For example, there are millions of people who spend $5 a latte from Starbucks almost every single day. And over a month that would cost you $100 and over a year that would cost you $1,200. But that's not it. Let's just say you invested $5 in an index ETF with an annual return of 8% for the next 10 years. Then that would be a saving of $18,500, where $6,000 is just in interest. And that's the real cost of getting a coffee from Starbucks every single day. Similarly, this latte factor shows up in many ways. It's just not limited to coffee. You could be eating lunch out every day, consuming fast food for convenience, smoking cigarettes, or subscribing to streaming services that you don't even use. And that's why it's really important to know where your money is being spent and put it to better use for financial independence. Drop a like on this video and follow for more.